Reduce your stress levels and relieve tired, aching feet with the TheraFlow foot massager. This wooden massager is easy to use. Simply roll your feet over the rollers at your desired level of intensity. The textured rollers stimulate reflexology points on the bottoms of the feet, providing added relief and helping to reduce your overall stress levels. This massager is excellent for relieving plantar fasciitis, heel pain, and general foot pain. If you take a look at the anatomy of the foot, and especially looking at the bottom of the foot, you can see that the foot is made of a lot of different bones. This is what allows us to walk on uneven surfaces and maintain our balance. There is a layer of muscle and connective tissue that lays over the bones, known as the plantar fascia. The textured rollers help to break up tension in the plantar fascia, and they also improve circulation. One of the rollers on the TheraFlow has protruding knobs that can be especially helpful with heel pain, or if you don't like how they feel, simply turn the massager around. The TheraFlow also comes with this reflexology chart that shows how these acupressure points correlate with different areas of the body. Stimulating these reflexology points gives added benefit by helping to reduce stress levels and even improving health throughout the rest of the body. Keeping the plantar fascia healthy helps to prevent foot pain, and I've noticed that my feet do not hurt as much at the end of a long day if I can set aside some time for the TheraFlow before or even during the day. This massager is sturdy and well made using sustainable wood, and it has non-slip strips on the bottom to protect your floor and keep the massager in place on any surface. Anyone who spends a lot of time on their feet will benefit from using this massager. Sometimes we don't consider how much impact the feet endure throughout our day, and especially for athletes and runners. Show your feet some love with the TheraFlow foot massager. Link and coupon available in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.